our waziri here, she's performing. The issue of an MP bringing a motion in parliament to impeach our CS, we shall mobilize our MPs to resist.
She's burning the midnight oil, and we know that in the end, we are going to get a lasting solution, because as we see already, the interns are being paid.
The issue of impeachment was a funeral declaration, so we are waiting to see if that MP will bring in parliament. But if he brings in parliament, we know that our CS is working hard, and there's no way we are going to allow our fellow MPs to impeach her.
Nakhumicha anafanya kazi kama waziri wa afya, na kwa hii muda Nakhumicha amefanya kazi nzuri, na sisi kama wabunge wale tunaona mbele na wale tunajua Nakhumicha hawezi kuwa impeached.
So any member of parliament coming up with the motions of impeachment, we are not going to allow that. Let the government plan and see how sanity is going to be restored in the health department.